Hello, folks. In this video, we will do this MongoDB installation with a step-by-step process. You first open your any web browser. Let me open the Chrome here, and then just write it down MongoDB download. Okay, it will directly jump on the actual website here. Just click on it, MongoDB community server. Scroll down, and you'll find it out the website here. You'll find it out the option available here. Just click on download. That's it. Your downloading process is started, and you can also check that key how much time it will take. For me, it will taking the 1 minute, depend on your internet speed. Here you can see it's around 713 MB file is available, and the installation process is really very simple. We will do step by step. Please be here. All right, the MongoDB is successfully downloaded. Now let's start the installation. Go there in the location and just double click on it. It will ask the permission because you're installing a external application in your machine. Click on next, accept the agreement, next, and don't change anything. Just click on complete here. Okay, then click next, next, install. Yeah, now the installation process is started. So you have to wait for at least 2-3 minutes, depend on your PC configuration. If your PC configuration is really good, then it will not take much time. But if your PC have like 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, then definitely it will take a little bit more time compared to 16 and 32 GB RAM. It's a common thing. But yeah, let's wait for it. Yeah, it's asked the permission. So for you, it's not showing, but yeah, it's asked the permission, and you have to click yes, and then your installation process will start it. Yep, now it started here. Okay, now the MongoDB Compass is being installing. So what exactly the MongoDB? MongoDB Compass. So MongoDB Compass is a UI for a complete application. So where you can easily perform the operations here. Click finish. Yeah, click start. So everything is done. Okay, now MongoDB is properly installed. So MongoDB Compass is completely UI where you can perform the actions. So hope you understand. If you face any kind of issues, you please put the comment in a comment box.